Hardliner Rodrigo Duterte has warned Barack Obama not to question him over a surge in drug-related killings since Duterte took office 2 months ago.
O, di ba? Sabi niya wala daw karapatan si Barack Obama na tanungin siya tungkol do sa mga nangyayaring drug-related killings. O, anong masama doon, di ba? Kung pansinin siya, paano kung ubusin niya lahat ng Pilipino? Hindi pa rin siya tatanungin. United States na yung nagtatanong sa kanya. Ibig sabihin, human rights na yung kinocross the line niya, yung sumusobra na siya sa boundary niya. Diba? Anong karapatan niya na hindi pagbawalan ang presidente ng Amerika na tanungin siya tungkol dun sa pagpatay niya sa mga taong Pilipino, malahing Pilipino, 41,000. Parang aso lang, oh. Diba?
Addressing the media on his arrival, Duterte finished with a choice phrase in his native Tagalog.
I am a president of a sovereign state, and we have long ceased to be a colony. I do not have any master except the Filipino people. Nobody but nobody.
Angas niya.
You must be responsible.
Ang angas niya, no? Sabi niya, nobody but nobody.
Do not just throw away questions and statements. Putang ina, mumurahin kita dyan sa forum na yan.
Putang ina mo, Obama. Putang ina mo, Obama. Mumurahin kita dyan sa forum na yan. O, di ba? Minumura niya si Obama. Putang ina mo, Obama. Oh, ang galing niya magmura, ang lutong.
Speaking at the end of the G20 in China, Obama admitted this might not be the right time for talks.
Historically, our relationship with the Philippines is one of our most important, and my relationship with the Filipino people has been extraordinarily warm and productive. So I expect that will continue, but I want to make sure that the setting is right, the timing is right for us to have the best conversation possible.
Washington's expressed concern about a surge in drug-related killings since Duterte became president 2 months ago, promising to wipe out narcotics. More than 2,400 people have been killed since he took office on June the 30th. Campaigners have raised...
Biro no, 2,400 people were killed since he took office since June. Ibig sabihin, June, ilang taon pa lang, wala pa isang taon. 2,400 people na yung napapatay niya. Di adikto sa kill talaga tong ang matandang dutaing mabaho, no? Ang tagal ng buhay pa, ayaw pang mamatay ng animal na yun.
Question of extrajudicial killings.
Tapos na. Tapos na tayo.